Sebastian takes it, goes 32.403.
Can't hear it yourself, think.
Yep.
So that's the CRV with the IndyCar motor. Esther, go over there and act like you've been there before.
Okay, I
Just go
will.
over there. Whatever that is, you go.
A kebab.
About. Blues is the best value out here. Best value. I still want one of those.
You went close enough to the shop. I don't know why you don't have one.
I should drive one of those.
Yeah, there's one in our neighborhood.
It's probably more economical than one of those.
We get a brand new convertible like this with their AC and nav system.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
So that was our day at the Grand Prix. It basically took us to the Grand Prix and it was kind of like a perk. I gotta finish packing the store. This car we built back in 2015. It's here for maintenance. It's always good to see the long-term builds. So the bleeding procedure requires usually 1.5 to 2 bottles of Rotrex fluid here. So what we're gonna do is pump out the fluid as it runs and keep topping up the reservoir. That way you can actually see the color change. You see it there dripping into the clear reservoir. It wants to be a bluish grape color when you're done. And of course, once you're done, you need to run the motor between 2,000 and 2,500 to check the level. So RC car racing again last night. This was Sebastian's second time racing the new Slash.
Everybody's done, guys. Everybody's done. Sebastian takes it, goes 32.403. Randy goes 30.403. Bailey 29.406.
And as you can tell, he is stoked. It's his first time winning. Pick it up, Vivian.
Winner,
Yes.
chicken dinner.
2 minutes.
Good job, buddy.
Awesome.
That's it. Hang it up. Let's go.
All right, guys, race 2. Then for Bobby.
He is in the novice class. It's basically a bone stock Slash with the lowering chassis, and we just put road tires on it and lowered it down. I changed the shock oil to 90 weight, used some of the Mobil 1 diff fluid basically. It stiffens it up. Other than that, it's pretty basic. A lot of cars out there are running brushless motors. In the novice class, I think you can do pretty much whatever you want. Well, this is the figure eights. Seems like, I think this is sponsored by the local hobby shop. It's a lot of wrecking going on. It's pretty entertaining. If you have an RC track near you, go check it out.
Don on a 28.404 as well. Ace on a 26.4 flat.
Put some up elevator. Ready?
Yep.
All right, so this plane I haven't flown in about 4 years. Sebastian's been asking me to fly this thing. Well, I was afraid that the batteries might not be any good because they've been sitting a while. They have been sitting in storage voltage. Sebastian did the filming, did a really good job. He even got a chance to take his goggles off and put the camera onto the goggles so you can kind of see what we're seeing. I'm flying this on goggles right now, but this is basically what I'm seeing right here. These are the OLED cinemizers. It's an analog camera, but they give you a really good immersion, and it looks like you're sitting looking at an 80-inch screen at 6 feet. This plane I have gone 30 miles out, I've got some past videos. I did take a lot of them down.
We're going fast.
Yeah, I'm only at 5 amps. I'm trying to just cruise. All right, so I'm coming around. Can you see it, or is it too far away?
No, I can see it perfectly.
Okay. A little bit of a rough landing coming up, but it did sustain a little bit of damage. If you guys are RC, you're probably well used to landing things and picking up more than one piece. That's just kind of part of it.
Nope, not nice. Yep.
Oh, the wheel fell.
Can't man the wheel.
Oh no, did I hit a little harder than I expected?
Yeah. I got him though.
Alright, well that just glues on, and that was just hot glued on.
Yeah, I got him though.
Wow, I thought I came in nice and smooth.
You came in fast.
That popped off. I just glued that back on. It's drying right now.
Glue that.
It's actually got little screws that hold it here that I usually leave loose so you can access this camera, and there's a servo in there. I'm just going to put some fiber tape on there. This is about 10 years old. It's called a Mobius, but it's a 1080p 30 frames a second video camera, and that's what I used to use to capture. But the flight was successful. Landing was a little rough, which you did document that. You did catch it.
Yes.
It was a little rough, but you know what? It's still ready to fly again. So this will live another day. We'll let that dry. Put the camera back on. We'll film this again. We'll get another flight out of it. So I just went out to Virginia for the weekend. It was a surprise birthday party for my mother-in-law. And what was awesome is it was snowing. And it was the first time my kids got to see snow.
Literally, I had no feeling in my hands.
I know, I can see.
See how cold my hands are.
Yeah, they're like little icicles. All right, you got to finish your snowman.
Your handles first into that overhead bins. If you do have any smaller personal items, those personal items are book bags, laptop bags.
All right, so I'm back in the shop, bright, fresh, and ready. Big thanks for George for picking me up at the airport at 11 o'clock at night.
Was it 11?
It was. Thank you, buddy. I would say we'll show this on an upcoming video, but George has been busy and had time to videotape, so there it is. That's what we've done in this car. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, enjoy your cars.